To edit the styling of your menu, place your cursor over the menu until the paintbrush icon appears. Click on the paintbrush icon to access the edit window. Inside the edit window, you will be able to change the layout of the menu, the text color, background color, font, and font size. Scroll down to the bottom of the edit window. Here you will be able to change the hover color settings. This means that when a website visitor hovers their cursor over the menu item, the color of the item will change. Here you will also be able to change the submenu color settings. Once you have made the necessary changes, click on Save.